Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a frame with cardboard. First, gather your essential materials. You will need sturdy cardboard, perhaps from a shipping box, along with a ruler, a sharp craft knife, and a pencil for marking. For assembly, white craft glue or a hot glue gun will be perfect. Don't forget any optional decorative items like paint or fabric to personalize your creation. Next, let's measure and cut your frame pieces with precision. Begin by accurately measuring your picture or artwork to determine the inner opening size. Then, cut 2 long cardboard strips for the vertical sides and 2 shorter strips for the horizontal top and bottom. Make sure each strip is consistently 1.5 inches wide for a uniform frame appearance. Straight cuts are key here. Now, it's time to assemble your cardboard frame. Apply a thin, even layer of glue to the edges of your cardboard strips. Carefully join the 4 cut pieces to form a perfect rectangle, ensuring all corners meet precisely. Press the corners firmly together for about 30 seconds to secure them. Then, allow the glue to dry completely for at least 1 hour to ensure a strong, lasting bond. Finally, let's add the backing and personalize your frame. Cut a backing piece of cardboard that is slightly larger than your frame's inner opening. Glue this backing securely to the rear of your assembled frame, covering the opening. Now, unleash your creativity. Decorate your frame using paint, decorative paper, or fabric to match your style. You can even add a simple hanger for easy wall display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.